Alright guys, today we have a Mercedes 2013 GL450, and let me just make sure if this is a 450. Alright, give me a moment. Yeah, GL450. Alright guys, GL450. Alright, just wanted to confirm it. Alright, we're gonna be replacing this idler pulley. Alright, right here. The part number is 38099. Alright, that's the part number, AC Delco. This is the top idler pulley, and this is what it looked like. It comes with a little bolt there. Alright, so that's what we're going to be changing. Alright, I'll give you the size on that. Those are the inward whatever you want to call those screws. I forgot the name of them, but I'll show you the set that I have. Alright guys, so there it is. Alright, that's what we're going to change on this Mercedes. The reason why we changing it is because the bearing on that one is bad. I did do a belt on this car for the customer, and told him to get the pulley, and he brings usually his own parts, but he couldn't find the pulley. So anyways guys, so first just lift this cover out. Right, just lift right out. Right, lift it up and pull it out. Oops, I'll fix that. I just bent that a little bit. This little guy right here. All right, now I need to take my camera and we're gonna go down below. Right, and I'm gonna go get some tools. Alright guys, I got my number 18 socket, and let me put my light right here. What we're doing is all there down here, not this pulley, the one right here, right below that. You could put it right under here. You could put number 18 on this tensioner, and you could push the tensioner to release the tension on the belt. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be doing that just about now. Let me get my tools ready. Alright guys, I put my number 18 on that thing, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna release the tension of this belt. It's not gonna be easy guys, but you're gonna just yank it down, and then you should be able to take off this belt off one of the pulleys. It's not coming off yet. I'm gonna need more teeth to it, and then I could push it more down. That's hurting my hand because I'm grabbing it like a monkey. All right, let me try it this way. Not a lot of space, but we're gonna be able to do it guys. So you just pull this guy down and then try to get the belt off just like that. Don't mess up the routing guys, because we know we don't need to take off the belt everywhere. And there I have the belt off, and I'm gonna leave my wrench right there, the ratchet, let it just sit there. All right, now what we're gonna do is, let me see if I can position my light in a better angle. That's much better. We're gonna remove this. So this is the pulley that we're changing. All right, let me put this belt down a little bit and listen to it. See that? That pulley is bad. All right, so let me go get a tool for that. All right guys, what we have here is the invert torque set here, and this is number 12. All we need to do is we're gonna remove that number 12. All right, just gonna turn it to grip it, and all you're gonna do is turn, like Wheel of Fortune. Turn. When you're removing this guy, just pay attention. Sometimes there's like a washer or a spacer in the back of this, and you don't want to drop that. All right, whatever we take off, we are gonna put back on. All right, alright guys, this bolt is aluminum bolt, so you don't want to go crazy. You can torque it, but I don't have the specs on this. I will try to find something because the car is here for several days. So I'm just gonna finish at the job for you guys and just show you exactly what you gotta do. Just take it easy with the bolt. Do not snap it. You snap it, that's it. That's when you will be in trouble, right? So I'm gonna take off this slowly. Make sure do not drop anything if there's something in the back of it, right? And it's still holding on to a little bit. There you go. All right. So there is something there. You see this little washer? Make sure that washer stays behind. All right. Blow the dirt off, and that stays there. All right. So here's the pulley. All right. It has a bad bearing. All right. So time for us to put the new pulley in. Here's the new pulley. All right. And just give me a moment. I just want to make sure everything is the same. Alright guys, I want to show you the two pulleys. This is the old pulley. You see the hole in there? It's a plastic piece in there, and here's the new pulley. It's sticking out. Don't worry about that. When you put that on, it's gonna push itself in there. Alright, so let me align this. I'm gonna catch a couple of threads, and then we'll tighten it. Alright, got the new pulley on, and we're gonna use the same one, number 12 invert torque socket. And I'm gonna get this guy in there, and then we'll put the belt on. Maximum half an hour job. Alright, so take your time, let the car cool off first. So I can feel it now, that little fella in the back is going in. All right, it's almost there. There you go, it's locked in. All right guys, all right, we have the pulley in nice and smooth, and next we're gonna put the belt on. All right guys, we got our belt, we got the pulley in there, and we're gonna put the belt in. So let me take my light this way. Make sure the belt is routed nice. All right, it came off the alternator down there, so I'm gonna put that on. And once I have that on, I can yank my yank the tensioner. It's tight in here guys. I know you're not gonna see it, but simple. All right, and there we have the belt on. All right, and we're done. And after this, just make sure the belt is not off anywhere. All right, make sure it's on all the pulleys and nice and even. All right, so my belt looks pretty good. All right, so that's it guys, we're done. Thank you. Subscribe, share, and like all my videos. Don't forget to put the cover on the top. All right.